I was talking to my teaching partner at school just the other day, and they were saying they really enjoyed the unit of work they were doing, but they really struggled with doing the technical part of the multimedia. And they asked me, how do I go about doing those things? G'day everyone. Welcome back to Technology for Teachers. Today we're going to show you how to create a killer multimedia presentation. To make a presentation truly stand out, you need to incorporate various elements such as text, image, audio, and navigation. Stick around until the end for a bonus tip that will help make your presentation look ultra professional. Let's get started. When it comes to doing presentations, straight away I think PowerPoint. So let's open up a PowerPoint document, let's throw in some text and make a start. Now that we've added the text, it's time to add a picture to make the presentation look visually appealing. This is how I go about that. A multimedia presentation wouldn't be complete without some audio. You could add music or sound effects, but in this case, we're just going to read the text. Now that it's looking and sounding fantastic, let's make it user-friendly by adding some navigation. Here are the two ways that I do it. Well, if you've made it this far, you've truly created a multimedia presentation. But there's one more step to ensure viewers have the best experience. So here's the secret that I promised. Well, there you have it. You've learned how to create an outstanding multimedia presentation. Share your newfound skills with your students and colleagues. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to like, subscribe and leave a comment. See you in the next video.